creative birds, it's Tiffany here once again with another Journal With Me episode. Today's prompt for Junk Journal January is cozy vibes. So I gathered some stuff that made me feel all warm and cozy. When I used to tell my kids when they were little, when they had the feetsy pajamas was comfy, cozy, warmy toesies. So anyways, and yes, I'm wearing my cozy robe. My mother-in-law gave me that for Christmas, and it's totally comfy and cozy. So it is part of my cozy vibe page, and it's just a bunch of stuff, embellishments and ephemera and goodie papers and stuff like that I kind of get cozy vibes from. So a simple way of adding a little color to your white pages, I use color pencils just to kind of fill in the weird little spots that the paper or stickers or whatever I put doesn't really cover it. It still shows white. A lot of times I like to mix media and use paints and gelatos and oil pastels and stuff like that to color the background of white pages, but this was kind of a quick page where I keep all those paints and mixed media stuff that I use on my separate table. And since I didn't bring the journal over to do all that kind of stuff, I always just use color pencils, and it's just a little bit of color. It's nothing really fancy or anything, but I do that here and there. You'll see me on some of my pages just to add some color on little white spots of pages. So some of the things that make me feel cozy are sweaters, comfy socks, sitting around our fire pit, trees in the fall, Christmas trees, teas and coffee, a good book, cozy blankets, and family time. There's a lot of things that make me feel cozy. So I try to find stuff that kind of related to the stuff that makes me feel cozy to put on here. I couldn't find everything that makes me feel cozy, but it was, I think what I found was appropriate enough for the little things that does make me feel cozy. So I'd love to hear what makes you guys feel cozy. Leave a little comment and to see what kind of stuff gives you cozy vibes. I love using glue dots, bigger or smaller glue dots. The bigger glue dots are great for like bigger things, but the small mini glue dots are great for like using for these letters here, or like that little heart. It was a sticker, but it wasn't quite sticking down, so I put a little glue dot underneath there. Glue dots are amazing to use to help with little pieces that regular tape doesn't work, or glue sticks is not quite strong enough for it. You can get glue dots anywhere, any Michael's and Joann's or Hobby Lobby's or any craft store. Walmart, I think, even sells them. Probably Target in their little craft section. Yeah, you can find glue dots anywhere, and I do recommend them because they are amazing for little pieces. Well, I hope you enjoyed another episode of Journal with a Cloud. I love sharing and inspiring you with my creative process and inspiring all you creative birds out there to create your fun little pages yourselves. And until next time, always spread love, smiles, and sunshine. Thank you.